Good morning, students. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to study about our new chapter of midterm named soil. Dear students, as we all know that soil is the uppermost layer of the earth that we can see it. In this picture, स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं अर्थ की सबसे ऊपर वाली लेयर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सॉइल. इट हैज़ अ स्पेसिस, वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. प्लांट नीड सॉइल टू ग्रो. बेटा, प्लांट्स को क्या चाहिए? सॉइल, उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए. As the soil provides water and other essential nutrients to help them in preparing their food. Beta, what happens if there is no soil? There would be no plants on our planet. बेटा, एक भी प्लांट नहीं होगा हमारे प्लेनेट में इफ़ देयर इज़ नो सॉइल. इज इट क्लियर? सॉइल इज ऑल्सो essential for agriculture. Without soil, there would be no grass, no crop, no trees, and no food for us or other animals. जैसे बेटा हमारे घर होते हैं. In the same way, soil is a home to many insects and microorganisms. Now comes to the category of types of soil. Now, as we know that there are three types of soil, namely sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil has the largest particles. सबसे ज़्यादा बड़े particles होते हैं soil के. It doesn't hold water. बेटा, ये water को retain नहीं करते, water को hold नहीं करते. And there are a lot of air spaces. ये बेटा बीचों बीच खाली होती है. उसी खाली जगह को भरने के लिए we needs to put fertilizers there so that with water all other important nutrients do not flow away. Groundnuts, vines and maize grow well in sandy soil. Now comes to the second category named clay soil. Clay soil is rich in nutrients as it can hold water. बेटा, ये वाटर को होल्ड करती है, डिटेन करती है. इट डजेंट हैव एयर इन इट. इसमें खाली जगह नहीं होती. बट देयर इज़ वन प्रॉब्लम विद दिस टाइप ऑफ soil, that it can be harmful for the roots of the plants because it develops cracks in hot weather. Sunflowers, roses and many other shrubs grow best in clay soil. Last is loamy soil. Actually, it is the best soil out of three. It is the mixture of sandy soil and clay soil. It is best suited for plant growth. अगर बेटा आपसे पूछा जाए क्वेश्चन कि which one is best soil, then you simply have to reply loamy soil. Is it clear? तो आज हमने बेटा क्या पढ़ा? हमने डेफिनेशन पढ़ी soil की, इम्पोर्टेंस पढ़ी, also types of soil. Is it clear? Thank you, students.